Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify automate approvals for social posts with Asana, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project where you manage your social media posts. Click on the project to open it. In the project view, locate the section where you want to set up automated approvals. Create a new task for each social post that needs approval. In the task details, add relevant information such as post content, visuals, and links. Next, look for the section labeled Assignee. Assign the task to the team member responsible for approval. To set up automated notifications, click on the due date field and select an appropriate date. Now, go to the custom fields section to create an approval status field. Add options such as pending, approved, and rejected. In the task details, select the appropriate status for each post as you progress. Now, navigate to the Rules feature located in the project toolbar. Click on Add Rule to start creating an automation. Choose a trigger for your rule, like when a task is marked as approved. Set the action to automatically notify the assigned team member. You can also add actions to change the status of the task. Once you have set the desired actions, save the rule. Test the automation by changing the status of a task to see if notifications are sent correctly. For further organization, you can create additional rules for various scenarios. Regularly review and update your approval process to ensure efficiency. Now, all your social posts are ready for streamlined approvals with Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.